Well, here we are again. The same cloud. We're just using black and white. And if you notice, look over to his left, and it's like there is a stone, and that is a cave of some sort, like a tomb. And if you you can roll that stone back and cover it up. What is all this leading to? Christ. When he was buried in something similar like this. And of course, he raised from the dead. And now here I am preaching. Huh. Okay. And let's see what else we can find here. He should be in the same room. It's just we're just getting a little bit better look of what all he's got in there that he wants us to see. So we can get the picture straight. Well, nothing's really changed other than we possibly might be able to make sense of that little creature that was over to his left. It wasn't a creature at all. Matter of fact, it reminded me of a child. So that reminds me of a screw. Okay. I don't know if you're seeing something, or I don't know if I'm seeing something, because I got this control panel. It's over my image, so I'm having to guess what is going on. Call this effect fire and ice. I think the black and white, that's more along the lines of infrared. Ooh. I just seen that shadow come up over the right there. That's the kid turned into a shadow as I progress this. A shadow of things to come. Well, I don't know. That's it. I'm out of here.